Hi, I'm Oscar.
And I'm Dave.
And we're the founders of Thimble. 2 years ago, we launched Thimble on Kickstarter to teach children and adults all about engineering and programming in the comfort of their own home.
It took us longer than we thought, but we delivered our first kit within a year, and now we're delivering our 12th kit.
To celebrate, the first 30 people to buy an annual subscription will get a free past kit of their choice. Click the Get Free Kit link in the description down below.
When we first ran our Kickstarter, it was just me and Oscar. Since then, we've grown to a team of 5 full-time employees, and we've had about 15 interns come through our doors. Some have stayed on with us, and others have gone on to work for great companies. Oscar and I created Thimble because we have a huge value on education personally, and we think that we can have the biggest impact with Thimble by selling into schools. So if you know a teacher, or you're a teacher yourself, or you have a school district that you think could use Thimble products in the classroom, send us an email and let us know, because we really want to get the most impact we can have with these kits and capture that same excitement that we had when you first backed us on Kickstarter.
As always, thank you for your support. We couldn't have done it without our Kickstarter backers. If you have any questions or feedback for us, please reach out to us at team@thimble.io, and you can also find us at our website at www.thimble.io.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.